How to sell your cards on Bitget in 2 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your assets. So when you come to your assets, you're going to come to spot. So you're going to come to spot. So this is your spot. So from your spot, you're going to see your card. So the next thing you do is to click on card. So when you click on card, then you see trade. So you're going to select trade. So after selecting trade, then you're now ready to make your transaction. What we are doing is to convert our cards to USDT. USDT is a stable coin. So when you have your card in USDT, it will prevent your coin from depreciating, from going down when the coin drops. So all you need to do is to come here. You're going to click, then you select market. Market means you are selling at the market price as you speak. So you are selling it immediately at the market price. Then you don't forget to click on sell. So you're going to click on sell. Then the next thing you need to do is to come here where the road percentage. So you're going to drag it down. So you select the percentage. If you want to sell everything 50%, 60%, any percentage you want to sell, you drag it to hit. Then when you are done, you click on sell. So you click on sell, then you confirm to sell. But I'm not going to sell now because the coin has not been listed now. This video is just to guide you. So anytime it's listed, you are going to sell. So in our subsequent video, we are going to do video on how to guide you on how you can sell to your bank account. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that we can guide you through in this process. See you next time for more updates. Make sure you join our Telegram channel for more guide.